Today I'm going to discuss the Saskatchewan Home Reno Tax Credit. Hi everyone, it's Mike Turlock from Turlock Wealth with another tax tip for you. The province has reintroduced this credit for the 2025 tax year and onward. It lets homeowners claim 10.5% back on eligible home reno costs, up to $6,000 for seniors and $5,000 for everyone else. That means you could potentially save up to $420 per year or up to $525 for seniors, depending on your expenses. Eligible costs include things like labor, professional services, building materials, fixtures, equipment rentals, and permits. Now, what do I need from you? Well, when I'm preparing your taxes, I do not need your actual receipts, just the total dollar amount you spent on eligible renovations. However, please hang on to your receipts. This is because the CRA administers this tax credit, and they could ask you to provide documentation in the future. So keep them stored safely. Now, if you have any questions about what qualifies or how the credit works, feel free to reach out anytime. Otherwise, have a great weekend.